Automatic candy production line machines can be casting candy production line machines and die candy production line machines. The candy production line machine can make gel candies, lollipops, hard candies, chocolate candies, marshmallows, etc. The following is an introduction to the production process of soft candies, lollipops, hard candies, chocolate candies, and marshmallows. Gummy production line. The raw materials of gummy usually include agar, gelatin, pectin, konjac gum and starch, as well as fruit paste or pieces. The processing flow of the gummy processing machine, sugar transmission by gear pump, storage in sugar storage tank, quantitative syrup transportation, syrup preheating, film cooking vacuum effect, discharge pump to pump out the sugar paste, mixer to mix the flavor pigments and syrup, and mix while the mascute enters the hopper, is cast and formed, enters the cooling tunnel for cooling, is demolded and packaged, is sprayed and packaged. Lollipop production line. The lollipop depositor line process of depositor lollipops, boiling sugar, depositor and molding, cooling, demolding, and packaging of finished products. Hard candy production line. The fully automatic hard candy stamping and forming production line consists of an automatic weighing and batching system, a vacuum sugar boiling machine, a cooling steel belt conveyor, a conveyor belt, an insulating rolling bed, a smoothing machine, a hard candy stamping and forming machine, a cooling tunnel, etc. Chocolate candy processing machine, chocolate depositor production line process, syrup, sugar, hot melting, boiling, depositor, cooling, cutting and shaping, hardening, finished product. This machine is a machine for producing granular and square chocolate products. Through the pulp supply system and pressure, the controller is rolled and poured on the food-grade PU conveyor belt, and then automatically falls off after cooling in the cold channel. Marshmallow processing machine. Marshmallow processing flow, dough, extrusion, cutting, wrapping, shaping, marshmallow. The marshmallow production line is simple to operate and easy to clean. It is an automated marshmallow processing production line.